There's something absolutely magical about high heel sandals and beautiful legs. It's that perfect combination of elegance and allure, a partnership that defines confidence with every single step. High heel sandals aren't just shoes, they're a whole mood. They whisper sophistication, radiate beauty, and exude power all at once. When you slip into them, you don't just walk differently, you feel different. Suddenly, your stride has rhythm, your posture has grace, and your confidence, unshakable. Every woman knows that feeling, that first step in her favorite pair of heels, the click against the floor, the subtle lift in her body, the instant transformation. It's not just fashion, it's empowerment. The way high heel sandals frame your legs is pure art. Those delicate straps highlight the shape, the tone, the soft curve, creating an effortless harmony between strength and femininity. The gentle arch of your foot, the stretch of your calf, it's elegance that speaks louder than words. And the best part? High heel sandals work with everything. Pair them with a flowy dress for an angelic, airy look. With denim shorts, you're instantly flirty and carefree. Slip them on with a slit skirt, and you're giving pure confidence. Bold, striking, unforgettable. Let's not forget the power of color. Nude high heels, they're the secret to endless-looking legs. Soft, subtle, and sexy. Black heels, fierce, timeless, and always in control. Red sandals, fire, passion, unapologetic energy. And of course, metallic golds and silvers, the ones that sparkle with every movement, catching light and attention effortlessly. Each pair tells a story. Some days you want to feel delicate, other days daring, but no matter the mood, high heel sandals always rise to the occasion. Because they don't just change your outfit, they change you. They remind you to stand taller, walk slower, and let the world admire your presence. It's not about showing off, it's about showing up. And when paired with beautiful legs that move with confidence, grace, and purpose, it's unstoppable energy. Whether your style is sleek and minimalist or bold and glamorous, your heels do more than accessorize. They amplify your power. It's that sound, the confident click of heels that says, "I've arrived." It's the subtle sway in your hips that doesn't need approval, only self-assurance. And it's that soft shimmer of skin under the straps that adds a touch of quiet sensuality to every step. High heel sandals and beautiful legs, a timeless duo that embodies confidence, femininity, and freedom. So the next time you slip into your favorite pair, remember, you're not just wearing heels, you're stepping into your power. You're walking your truth, your beauty, your confidence. And if you loved this vibe, like this video,